The purpose of this module is to present the NPR radio transceiver MPT MC, showing the available ports, the identification label, and the polarization change procedure. The MPT MC delivery package usually contains an MPT MC with a solar shield, a bag containing some useful plugs, nuts and screws, and warning stickers for electric and magnetic field EMF emission. These stickers will be stuck on the antenna and the MPT. To identify the MPT MC type, frequency band, and channel, take a close look at the label in here. To remove the solar shield, release the 2 screws and take it out. You can see the part number, the covered transmission frequency range in megahertz, the supported shifter, and the TX subband. The only data port available on the MPT MC is an electrical Ethernet port supporting the power feed over Ethernet, data, and power on the same port. A maintenance port is also available to connect the LEMO cable during the alignment. To insert the LEMO connector into the maintenance port, make sure that you align the 2 red dots and push until you hear the click. Use the banana plugs on the other end to connect the multimeter. On the back side of the MPT MC, you will find the RF port. Be careful. A waterproofness tape is glued on the wave guide of MPT. It must never be removed. By default, the MPT MC is V polarized, as the letter V on the disc is aligned with the marker dot. To change MPT MC polarization, use an Allen key to unfasten the screws and take them out. Then, rotate the disc to the H position and fasten the screws. A grounding port is present on the MPT MC to connect the earth cable. Use the plugs delivered with the MPT to construct the grounding cable. Warranty seals are also attached. Be careful, as the warranty is void by removing them. To conclude, 4 hooks are present to fix the MPT MC to the coupler or to the antenna.